Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Ram Rana and you are watching Simply Code. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the having clause, right? So, having clause is actually used with the group by clause that we had discussed in the last session, right? And it is basically to filter the group, right? Group or groups based on a specific condition, right? So, uh, actually having clause uh, you can say allows you to apply a condition to the groups returned by the group by clause, right? So let's see the syntax of this. So syntax would be this: the select excuse me, select under the select clause there will be the column name that we want to display, right? And under the from the table name should be there, and under the where we have to give the search condition over there, and under the group by condition clause there must be group by expressions, right, that we had discussed in the last session. So you can see in the playlist, and you can check over there, right? And now having clause, as we had uh, uh, discussed in the previous, so having clause is actually uh, the group conditions, right? To impose the group condition, right? So let's take up one example to understand it clearly. So this uh, this group by clause to get order number, the number of the item sold per order and total sale for each from this order details table, right? So here it is using the group by clause, right? So let's start with this, and then after this we will impose, that means we will apply the group condition. That means for this we have to use the having clause, right? So first we apply this, and thereafter we will be applying the having clause, right? Let's practice on the terminal. Let's see. First of all, as usual, uh, we have to connect the MySQL server by typing MySQL minus u root minus p, and after typing the password it is connected to the server, right? It is connected. Now to show all the database in the server, we have to type show databases. So databases, that will display all the databases in the present server, right? And as we are using the classic model as a sample database, so that is why we have to use classic models database. So that means uh, yes, it is started to use, right? Database, once you get this reply after typing used classic models, database changed, that means it is already started to use, right? So now to show the tables, so tables need to, right? Now there are these are the tables name that present in the classic model database, right? So here, according to the question, according to the query, what tables we are using? Order details, right? So here select, I'm using first the group by clause, and after this we will use the having clause, because uh, we want to apply the condition on the group, whatever the column we are making the group, right? So select order number, right? And quantity ordered, quantity ordered, right? Ordered. So whatever the value in this column, we have to group all these and we have to take the sum. And after taking sum, we analysis it as item count, item count, right? We actually what we did, we actually put the temporary name of this column after calculating all the sums, right? Because there are many same order numbers in the same column. So that column we have to group, right, first, and in front of these order number we actually calculate, trying to calculate the quantity order, all the quantity order sum, and that column is actually the item count, right? So the second column is price each, price each into price each into quantity ordered, right? Quantity order, and we will apply the, after multiplying, we will apply the sum function, right? And this column we name as total, right? And these are taken by which table? The table name is order detail, ordered details, right? So, and we have to group by which column? We have to group which column? Order number, right? And with semicolon, let's see what will be the answer of this query. Yes, so this is the order number column, and in front of this item count, and there is total also, right? So for each order number there will be the item count, because we uh, we we sum all the quantity ordered, right, and put in the item count column, right? And after this we calculate this price each into quantity ordered, and after calculating this we took all the sums of this for each order number and put in the total column, right? Right. So this is the answer of the query, right? So after applying the group by clause, right? Now if we put the condition, right, because the having clause is actually used with the group by clause, right? That means having clause is always filter the group by, yani ki you can say ki the condition, if we are trying to impose on the group, we can impose through the having clause, right? So let's see this query. uh, Here you can find which order has total sale, greater than 1000 by using the having clause. So let's see what will be the query. So here you can see this will be the query, right? And in the last we need to put the having clause. That means we have to put the condition on the group, right? So let's practice this on a terminal, right? So here we have, yes, we have done this in the previous practice. So here only we need to put the having clause. So having condition is total must be greater than 1000. What is the total? Total is this column. Yes, this column, right? Because after calculating price is each into quantity order, and we took the sum of all such rows, right? And this is unique for each order number, right? Right. So this total name column, on this total name column we are imposing the condition, right? That that value must be greater than 1000, right? So let's see what will be the output. So this is the output, right? So each value inside this column must be greater than 1000. So this is these are the values, right? So like this way you can put on the condition of on the group, right? Right. If we talk about this evaluation table that is decided by the MySQL server, so this is the order, right? So having clause is always evaluated after the group by clause. You can see in this standard table, standard order, right? So okay, now to understand it better, we take up one more example, and in this example obviously we are using the having clause to find the order that have total amount greater than 1000 and contain more than 600 items. That means whatever the group we are making, we had made, right? Whatever the group we had made, on which, right, right, on those group we are imposing the condition, right? So one is for the column total, right, and another condition is for the item, right? Let's see what will be the query for this. So query would be this, right? After applying the group by clause, after this group by clause we are imposing the having clause, right, to filter the group condition, right? So here total greater must be greater than 1000, and operator we are using here. Item count must be 600, right? Let's see on the terminal. And yes, so having here, having total greater than 1000, and because there are two condition na, so total must be 1000, and another another column name is item count must be greater than 600, right? So let's see. So this will be the result, right? Here total must be greater than 1000 and item count must be greater than 600. So for for each order number, this is the result, right? So like this way you can use the having clause to impose the condition on the group, whatever we made the group, right? So that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with more concept. Thank you all. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.